Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day one in Kansas City, Missouri. As you can see here, we're dealing with, in the basement here, a lot of horizontal cracks. If you get up real close, you can kind of see that the wall is kind of bowing inward a little bit, more so towards this end. So what we're going to do for this project, on the outside, this is the west wall, we're going to be excavating down to the footing, relieve the exterior pressure off this foundation wall. And then we're going to come in here with our 6x6 treated wood support post, our hydraulic bottle jacks, angle iron, and we are going to first do our interior setup with horizontal 6x6s going across the floor joists, and then vertical going down from those, just slightly raising up the floor joists off the top of this foundation wall, just so there's no issues when we're pushing it back. And then as you've seen from a lot of our past jobs, we set that 90-degree angle iron, bolt it temporarily to the floor, put our 6x6 angled off of that, and then a hydraulic bottle jack, and another little small plate just to help push against that wall so we're not punching through the foundation wall. We just slowly extend those hydraulic bottle jacks until this wall is pushed back as close to vertical as we can possibly get it. We leave that interior setup in place, and the next step is putting in our steel H-beam wall braces. So in just where all the wall braces are going to eventually be installed, we're going to saw cut just a little section out of the concrete floor, excavate about 4 inches below that floor. Bottom end of the wall braces are going to be set there. Top end is going to be tied into the floor joists. We bring in new wood, and I want to make it clear to point out that we bolt everything from the side of the floor joists. We're not bolting in the bottom. It's already so narrow, it's just going to be a greater chance of splitting that floor joist, causing unneeded damage. So it's just not necessary. So we make sure everything is structurally sound on all these projects, bolting it from the side, and secure the upper end of the wall braces that way. And then once those are installed, we can pull off the interior setup to push the wall back. It's already secured and straight. We'll slowly bring those floor joists, the vertical floor joists back down. And then as you can see, all the cracks here. Once we get our 5 King Pier 2s installed, we're going to be doing epoxy injection, getting all those sealed up. On the seam here where the wall and the floor meet, we're going to be using NP1 polyurethane to seal that. Just anywhere we can get access to, just to better guard against any kind of future water infiltration. But you can see back here, more cracks right here. You can see more signs of water that has come through here. That epoxy injection is going to ensure that that is not a possible opening for future water to come in. Outside right here, we'll show you where we're going to be digging. That's going to be the major part of this most of this first week of the project. Yeah, we're just going to be nice and neat right here, digging everything down to the footing. And again, when we dig down to the footing, we relieve all that pressure that's pushing the wall in the first place. So that it just makes it's much easier to push against air than it is against dirt. So that is essentially it for this project. So stay tuned for more updates. You can always go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all of our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels, or you can just give us a call, 816-288-4373.